25.
You want to share what you did now?
Well, I made the frame, got the drill bits, drilled them all the way through. Then I put the top on. But what I'm going to have to do is flip it back over and run the drill from the other side so that the hole is through. I've already I just got to go get some. So
Oh, don't drill through your leg.
I know. Believe me. What is taking so long? Actually, let me get off. Well, that would help. Let me get all four of them started. Better punch through it.
That piece of 4x4 went a long way, didn't it?
Yeah. One. Two. Three. All right, now let's go test them. Six and 3/4, please be, please be. On the money. On the money. Thank you. Now. Still taking this back, so
Want to sit in it without falling?
go. Does that can give you enough leg room? It's not, is it?
No, it's not great, but I mean, it's fine. I mean, what else are you gonna do?
Well, get up, get up. I might have to go over now. Come on. Quit moving.
So we just moved the swivel around to be the right way, and it gives us a lot more room.
All right. Turn the seat. Turn it so the back goes against the wall. I got the handle.
Oh.
Just
Yeah, it's done.
go ahead. Keep going. How's that?
That's perfect.
All right.
Go back around.
Yeah.
Can I go 360 degrees?
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah. You got the handle up?
Oh, you got the handle
Go.
up?
I do now. It's on the other side.
I'm telling you.
Because
you
it'll
need
lock.
some oil.
It'll lock frontwards and backwards.
Right, because there's a little groove.
Keep going. I want the lock. There it goes. All right, so now back to these measurements. So that. There we go. All right. Push it in when you. No.
It's not even with the board, though.
I know. I don't care about that part. I want to just go in. I want to get the 2 inches.
We were at 2 inches last time?
1 7/8.
Oh, okay.
Which it probably just went to that. Just under 2. Right at 2. Got the marker? I can reach these front two. But I need you to mark them back too.
I'm gonna let go of it. I don't think it's gonna
Go
move.
ahead. I ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, at the top.
I just brought this marker out here yesterday. Let's see how this goes.
Okay, so you see I already drilled the holes in the floor there. Didn't record that. And one in the wheel well.
Oh, wait a minute.
So-
Jigsaw.
That ought to line all up.
Did not.
Well, where's the nuts?
One on the bottom.
Alright, so we got 3 bolts in so far. Bob's putting them in down through this thing all the way down to the frame, and then he's bolting them and nice and tight. Nice and tight, right?
With an impact.
With an impact, yeah, because it's super loud in here, so it's a good thing I'm not recording. Alright, we got the chair back on, tightening the chair down. One bolt gave us some problems underneath, so we did it the opposite way. Otherwise, we're good. Safety first. Captain's chair. I'm gonna wash it, see if I can't spot clean it clean. If it doesn't come clean, then I'll reupholster. Otherwise, I'm gonna stick with the blue. I don't know, we'll see. All right, sitting in my chair. Seat back a little.
Stay right here a little bit. Just put some pressure there. Stand up. Stand up. Solid?
Alright, where's my lever to turn my chair? Where is it?
You like once you start, you like
Oh, okay, cool. Hey.
lock in. Pull the lever on the side and push back.
I don't think I pushed back. I think I'm in one spot.
You got the lever? Pull lever.
Ooh. Okay.
You got plenty of room?
I think
You got
so.
plenty of room now that you slid it back.
Yeah. All right, well, I guess we got the chair in, swivels around. I gotta do something about cleaning it or reupholstering it, but otherwise, we'll see you on the next video. Remember, every Wednesday's a homesteading, DIY, whatever kind of video, and then every Sunday's a bus build. So we'll see you then.